So let's talk about body butter, specifically one that calls itself therapeutic. What does that even mean? Is it just a fancy marketing word? Well, we're going to unpack the science behind a formula like this to see what really makes it tick, from its buttery base to the oils and the one single ingredient that really ties it all together.
Think about this for a second. Your moisturizer probably does a decent job of, moisturizing, which is great. But what if it could do more? A lot more. What if it could actually calm down redness and irritation, or even soothe your sore muscles after a long day? That's the idea we're diving into right now.
To pull all that off, you need a formula built around 3 core promises: deep, lasting hydration, real relief for stressed-out skin, and genuine muscle relaxation. So how does one single product hit all 3 of those targets? Well, it all starts with a really, really solid foundation.
The entire formula is built on this creamy, moisturizing core, and it's not just any butter, it's a specific blend of 3 seriously powerful butters. Let's break them down.
So, the lineup is cocoa butter, shea butter, and kokum butter. Now, each of these is a powerhouse on its own, for sure, but they're chosen to work together because they do very different, very complementary jobs for your skin.
Let's look at what each one brings to the table. Cocoa butter? It's all about anti-aging. It's absolutely packed with antioxidants that act like little bodyguards for your skin, fighting off the environmental junk that can lead to wrinkles. Shea butter, on the other hand, is the soothing specialist. It's loaded with vitamins A and E, making it fantastic for calming down irritated skin and toning down any redness.
And rounding out this trio is kokum butter. This one is the secret weapon for intense healing. If you've got seriously dry, cracked skin, this stuff is known for its ability to help regenerate skin cells. But here's the best part. It does all this heavy lifting without feeling heavy or greasy at all. It's powerful, but it's also incredibly lightweight.
Okay, so with that rich butter foundation locked in, the formula adds its next layer, a nutrient-rich support system made of some amazing oils. Let's see how these build on that base.
Coming in for support, we've got 2 key players: coconut oil and hemp seed oil. And just like the butters, these 2 were not picked at random. They each have a very specific and complementary job to do.
And they take totally different approaches. Coconut oil is all about deep penetration, using its fatty acids to get way down in there and hydrate from within, while also giving some nice antimicrobiotic benefits. Hemp seed oil, though, is like the security guard for your skin's surface. It's full of omega-3 and omega-6, which are crucial for keeping your skin's natural barrier strong and can even help regulate oil production.
All right, we've got our base, we've got our support system, and now we get to the star of the show. This is the ingredient that takes the whole formula from just moisturizing to truly therapeutic. It's what we could call the calming and restorative supervisor, CBD.
Now, you might see the term full spectrum thrown around and wonder what that actually is. It's pretty simple, really. Instead of just using isolated CBD, a full spectrum formula includes a bunch of other helpful compounds from the plant, like other cannabinoids and terpenes. And there's a really important reason for this. They all work way better together.
This amazing synergy has a name. It's called the entourage effect. And the easiest way to think about it is like a sports team. Sure, you have a star player, but they're going to be so much more effective when the whole team is working together. It's the exact same idea here.
So, what does this team actually do? Well, this is where the therapeutic power really kicks in. CBD is known for helping to reduce pain and muscle soreness. It's also a powerhouse anti-inflammatory, which is why it can be so soothing for skin conditions. And it does all this by interacting with your body's own endocannabinoid system, a network of receptors right there in your skin to help bring things back into balance and promote healing from the inside out.
Okay, we've looked at the butters, the oils, and the star ingredient, CBD. Now let's put all the pieces together and see how they create one incredibly powerful synergistic effect.
It really is a beautiful 4-step process. First, those triple butters lay down that deep, rich, hydrating base. Then, the powerhouse oils swoop in to nourish and protect your skin's barrier. And that's when the full-spectrum CBD gets to work, targeting pain, inflammation, and irritation to really calm and restore. The final result? It's not just one thing. It's a feeling of total wellness for both your skin and your muscles.
So when you boil it all down, what does this mean for you? It means you're getting deep hydration for that dry, cracked skin. You're getting calming relief for irritation, and you're getting muscle soothing for soreness and tension, all from one product. It's a true multitasker. Which brings us to this perfect little summary. It's not just about being functional, it's also about the experience. This kind of formula is designed to be the perfect therapeutic indulgence, something that feels luxurious but works incredibly hard.
And that really leaves us with one final question to think about. Just take a second to consider your own skincare routine. Is it working this hard for you? Is it hydrating, nourishing, protecting, and calming all at once? It's definitely some food for thought. Thanks for diving into this with me. I'll catch you on the next one.